today, I just got my air horn right here. And I refill. No, I mean, I put a air horn refill because, well, like, yesterday, it was really low of air, so I removed the horn and I put the new refill can and I put this horn back on. So, so I sure did switch the cans, and then I did put the new one, so it's no, that's just refill, and now it's ready to go. It's good as new. But I can't sound it off from in here because it's a nighttime, so everyone will be sleeping soon. So maybe I'll show y'all if I can. I want my girl to blast my air horn tomorrow, so you will see exactly the same one because it's gonna be the same one, and you knew that I will blast this thing tomorrow. So, yeah. I hope you all have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I mean, all notifications. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video until next time. Peace out, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for my air horn blast.